guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today we are going to talk about 10 old money fragrances. Those will be fragrances that are very elegant, they epitome class and sophistication. So if you are interested what are my choices, please stay with me. My name is Justina, this is my perfume world. If you like it here, please consider subscribing to this channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and let's go. So we'll start off with the first fragrance, and the first fragrance I know is quite controversial when it comes to perfumes, but I do think it epitomizes class and sophistication, and I'm talking about Chanel No. 5. And actually I know not many people likes this fragrance. Many people says it's like old lady fragrance and it's not nice. I cannot agree with that. Actually, I must tell you that when I'm wearing Chanel No. 5, I get really a lot of compliments. Many people says it smells clean, it smells very elegant and very sophisticated. If you cannot stomach Chanel No. 5, the original, I would recommend going for L'Eau, for example, because it's much more accessible for you. It's much more modern. So if you are looking for something clean, something very timeless and elegant, either this or Chanel No. 5 L'Eau, I highly recommend it, because for me, it's a classic for any occasion. It doesn't smell like old lady at all. But I know we all perceive fragrances differently, and many people said to me that even though they tried to use it time to time to refresh the memory, maybe they will be liking it or not, they still do not like it. So it's very hard fragrance for some people, but for me, I really do like it, and I think it's very sophisticated. So, and another one will be classic as well. For me, it's Prada Infusion Dei. If you're looking for perfect, clean, powdery scent, this is the one. It's purely unisex for me. Powdery iris, very innocent, white shirt fragrance, beautiful. It is not that long lasting, unfortunately. However, it is very classy, very elegant for any occasion. It doesn't hurt anyone's nose for sure. Very beautiful. Yeah, Prada Infusion Dei. So it was the second fragrance. Another one is the new fragrance in my collection, and I got it from the brand, and I'm very happy because I wanted to test it for a long time now, quite a long time, and I'm talking about a new release from Micallef, and it's O Feminin. And actually, if you love Orange Blossom, this one will be for you. If you are looking for a lighter, much more elegant and refined version, for example, of Kilian Love Don't Be Shy, I think you need to check it out, because this one is pure sophistication in a bottle. If you like Orange Blossom, if you like Neroli, this bitter orange oil, you need to try it. This one is sunny, this one is flowery, this one is classy. If you do not like orange flower, do not get near it, because it's very orange flower centered and orange flower heavy. Other than that, I highly recommend it. It's beautiful, it is very long lasting. You do not need much to feel the presence of the fragrance throughout the day. So beautiful. Yeah, so if you are looking for something with orange flower that is not too sweet, not too gourmand, made in beautiful French Micallef style, look no further. O Feminin from Micallef. I really do like this fragrance. It's perfect for spring and summer, of course for whole year round, but it is perfect warm weather fragrance as well. Very classy and elegant. So yeah, that was O Feminin from Micallef. Another one is from Olfactive Studio, and this one will be tuberose centered. However, here the tuberose is made very modern, and this one is Dancing Light. So if you are looking for a green tuberose, the tuberose that is almost unisex, this is the one. This tuberose here is fresh, is beautiful, is combined with mint, so it's refreshing at the same time. It's a perfect whole year round tuberose, very nice, very elegant, sophisticated as well. So if you want some kind of a modern tuberose fragrance, different than your old school white flowery scent, you need to check it out. because this one is just amazing. It lasts quite a long time on the skin, so you do not need to worry about the longevity. I really do like it. This one is quite original. It hits home, you know, it's similar in some way, but it's original enough to try and to see for yourself. This one is just amazing. Dancing Light from Olfactive Studio. Another one is on the more expensive side, but it's quite basic. But I thought that I need to include it here because it is quite classic already. And if you want to smell like a very rich old money person, you need to check it out. It's Initio Mask Therapy. And this one, I'm wearing it today. This one is your clean, musky fragrance. That's all I can say. It's very simple, nothing too groundbreaking, but if you want to smell like a rich, clean person, this is the one to go. I know that there are some Middle Eastern clones. We'll see about that. Maybe I will buy some at some point. But this one is so nice. It is slightly cold as well, calming. It is quite similar to Essential Parfums de Musk or Mont Blanc Signature. So if you like those two fragrances, I'm sure you are going to like Mask Therapy. Many people says it's nothing groundbreaking, nothing new, and I must agree, but it is very nice. So only to you belongs the decision if you want to pay the full price, because it's of course very pricey fragrance, but other than that, very beautiful and clean and sophisticated. So that was it. Another one is from Atelier Materi, and this one is for an old money person who is slightly seductive and mysterious at the same time. And this one, Narcise Taji, smells like your very bougie, rich person's hallway. I don't know what I think of it, but it does. It smells like the interior of a very rich person. It is flowery. It has, of course, Narcisse note, which is like white flowery note. It has sweet note, so it's very original. It is dark, it is mysterious, it is seductive, not too sweet, but sweet at the same time, intoxicating. Very hard to describe, actually. You need to check it out for yourself because it's really unusual. I never smelled anything like it, actually. Let me know if you know anything similar to Narcise Taji, but I don't. Very nice. I really do like it. If you are a rich person or you just want to feel like a rich person, going out for a bougie party, smelling mysterious and seductive, Narcise Taji will be for you, definitely. Another one is my beloved Casamorati, and it's Bouquet Ideale. Actually, I didn't like this perfume at first when I tested it. I didn't understand its phenomena, but now I do. This one is just perfectly balanced, spicy, woody fragrance. You have here tonka, you have here sandalwood, tobacco flower, very beautiful cinnamon as well, but nothing stands out too much. Everything is blended to perfection. So nice. And it lasts really long time as well. So yeah, Bouquet Ideale from Casamorati, Xerjoff. Another one will be another white flowery perfume, but it will be on the cheaper side. So if you want to smell like old money, but on the budget, you need to check this one out. It's Maison Alhambra and it's Minerva. And actually the bottle may give out what is the clone of, because it's a clone of Memo Paris Marfa. And this one, I didn't test Marfa, but this one smells so nice, so expensive. I highly recommend it. It does have tuberose, but also it has this beautiful agave note, which gives this tuberose a greenness, something new as well, something modern. So if you are looking for a modern, beautiful fragrance with tuberose, of course, you need to check out Minerva. This one is just amazing. Long lasting as well, and the price it cannot be beat. Of course, you can choose also Marfa for sure, but Marfa is much more expensive. And this one, I wouldn't tell that there is a clone actually. if I'm really honest with you. It smells so good. Another one will be from Giardini di Toscana, and as real old money people, they like their classic fragrances. And this one is another fragrance based on neroli, and this one is Colonia Nobile. And I think not many people is talking about it, and it's very, very sad. Why not? Because this one is just amazing, you know. It has, of course, neroli, it has orange blossom, it has ambery notes, I think, and it has something herbal in it. And it has this classic colonial vibe of the fragrance, you know, it's like cologne based on orange flower, orange blossom. But at the same time, it lasts really, really long time. The trail is just insane. It lasts you all day. So yeah, Colonia Nobile from Giardini Toscana. I highly, highly recommend this fragrance because it's a classic, but you know, the parameters are really, really nice. And the last fragrance, which is much more cheaper as well. So if you want, if you are on a budget, but you want to smell like old money, I highly recommend you try Lalique Le Parfum. This one is also just amazing. It's vanilla fragrance with tonka bean, with bay leaf. Very, very original. Lasts also really, really long time. It is not too sweet. It is slightly cold, slightly herbal, I would say as well. Very, very beautiful. Yes, so Lalique Le Parfum. And that was it for today. Let me know what are your old money perfume types. I will be very curious to read your comments. Thank you very much for watching today and see you in my next videos. Bye-bye.